He was undressing me.
He went
to undress others. Asking for irons and roses. So, now I was left hanging.
The people now who entered there,
now
they undressed.
Some started getting undressed. So some started leaving. Those who are born again.
Yes.
Yes, like in a Ahuru market. They saw they are going to be defiled.
They were short dogs.
Yes.
They ran away. And you know it is Mogiro.
Yes. Yes.
To put on strings.
Yes. I hear there were people with mouth.
and strings.
They were hanging them like half mast. Now I was left hanging. I am here waiting to be undressed, and they have left me.
Oh my! I apologize on behalf of on your behalf.
No, no, don't apologize, because if you have to apologize, why is he not touching you and Kiagay?
Me, I didn't talk.
You laughed, but Kiagay talked.
Kiagay is a man of God.
And me? What am I?
But now you are now the king.
Yes. You don't know I'm the king.
What I would request.
Yes.
These two TikTok.
Yes.
When I will join with the Kameme Facebook if they have.
Yes.
To separate.
Which and which?
For your address.
Yes.
Yours.
Yes.
And for people with the Mogiro.
Oh, he stopped joining them.
Those show costumes.
Yes.
Their costumes. Because Jackie is telling me she was drawing for me. She came in the morning. She was drawing. After he finished with you, now the husband of Babarayan.
Yes.
There came a woman for Italy. She had things like this. Like crochet.
Let me see.
Like this. And then she was doing them like this. You see? Like this. Like this. Like this. Different colors.
Yes.
Red, black,
yes,
white. You see?
Yeah.
You might better be undressed and you wear this one.
Mekyo ndaragira kuingira live we.
Now, we are dressing a Themba.
Yes.
Nadhuri. Then ladies, at the night, they be addressed.
So you are requesting him to have 2 accounts?
Yes. No. To have 2 press conference.
Oh, when he finished with me, he cut.
Yes.
He start another one.
A new one. Because now all of you, you're the same sack. I'm Mesiga. Merodi, he na kenu akonora
no kai reke njuge promo igikwo ri ndieteire kiria ndainya gikinyanirira gikarita hakuhinde tagirwo ndo wa bata ino
ogeragurire ndeipa
ciarĩ hakuhĩ tondũ ndĩroĩ rĩu.
Koguo we thĩna waku niĩ ndinahutio na Kĩengei ndanahutio.
Eddie, that's my problem. Kĩengei-rĩ ithe ndararirie ũhoro ũcio na gatonye no acio arauga ndekũmarĩria egũka kunĩra harĩa rũĩ rũhũthĩire. Acio niĩ maguta Ate Modoni wa Kiruba, I cannot touch her. She just laughed.
Yeah, which is true. On Omodi, I have just laughed.
Yes.
I have no idea. I was out of the country.
Yes.
And you know, I'm also a friend of the family.
Of who? Of them.
Children.
You don't have a problem with all that. I will apologize, by the way, if he will also touch you. Ndangĩtwamũrania nĩ atwĩkĩrage kabũ kĩmwe atong'oria ithuothe.
Anyway, big up.
Next time rĩ,
karibu sana.
Next time rĩ agi specify na akĩmenya niĩ ngomaga mũthenya.
Niguo.
Aliuka go tukuta kinyonyo. Ngakora ndioni. Okaha.
Anyway, karibu sana.
Thank you.
Cheza sita. Ora ile ciarera.
Hey we. Ni da imaginate kwasa promo uri raranire. Ndirona haha. Kwasa uri raugire promo iyo.
Na rikoro promo iyo ni rekiritwo kundu tuguteithia andu aria mena ma stress.
Ima. Ngoja mataithikire. At 10 p.m. I'm going to undress you. I don't know it's got that bag. That guy.
Kware.
I will not touch it again. Or Modoni, they laughed. But this, Muraga Tagato, I will deal with him at 10 p.m. Come on. Upera Drago to it. Tokona King Rosso. I can go to Mirodi.
Thank God I saw you today.
Yeah, I'm grateful. Moga de naguo.
We sawa.
De na cioi. No ko jekerire oguo.
Maundu macio makoraga arume koguo. It's so good. Koguo.
Maundu mane mamwe na arume.
You are trending.
Thank you.
Top.
Ni ndiraria ii.
Wiguo.
Ndona andu
Mundu urenda kwenderio mugunda. Mundu urenda kwenderio kraota. Mundu urenda kwenderio curu. Mundu urenda kwenderio mugithi. Ndwendia mugithi wa Waithaka haje.
Ye ni by the way Waithaka ndojikia kindu mugithi wa njira ugakorwo ku. Doha.
Saudi Friday. Saturday
Dubai.
Riu ukendia.
Mugithi uguo na njira yothe twi kuria UAE. Wa Waithaka wa Jeni.
Doha Thursday.
Yes.
Friday athie Saudi Arabia. Saturday kie Dubai.
Leo ndatiga utuka. Come on. Ndatiga utuka chumasta. King Pini ndikorekia. Leo ndiretwo the Andresi.
Sasa sita. Keto tuoreba.
Tuona bia na maitho.
Tuwana basi kuidha tu cia munyaka.
Kure 24224. 24224. Na nĩ kwamũkĩra ndũmĩrĩri ũthiũ mĩrũmĩrĩire ũkahora wĩhotanĩre maita 5,000 mbeca iria wathaka nacio.
Na nĩwageithio nĩ mũndũ wĩtagwo atĩrĩrĩ. Nĩ ũragĩetereirio. He mũingĩ ũretwo Travel with Rish.
Nada wĩra kũhe wĩra.
Travel with Rish.
Mwĩra njathe rĩu ndĩ maguta-inĩ.
Onake atũraga fasting nĩ ũndũ wa gũtuĩka married. Araiga mĩtambo-inĩ augaga nĩ ũmũrutaga stress. Travel with Rish. Koguo wahũrwo nĩ mwena wa masculine, feminine agakusupport. Ũguo nĩguo Ngai arutaga wĩra.
You are most welcome. You can see me anytime you want. Kenyonyo.
Kenyonyo nĩ gĩtũ.
Kenyonyo rĩ movies ya horror rĩ.
I don't watch movies.
No. It's a word made by kina DJ Hindi, kina DJ Afro. Rĩu maugaga kinyonyo kinakutokerezea. Cheki maneno.
Rĩu kenyonyo
gũka kũrĩa mũndũ ũthaka metage vampire. Rĩu arĩũkaga ũtukũ. Rĩu arĩũkaga arabu nĩamenya gũtirĩ kinyonyo gĩkoragwo na gatai. Gĩkĩ nĩkĩo kĩa mbere. African Kenyonyo.
Introducing Arahoka. Roshide Thidashara.